Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
I'm Next Weather meteorologist Shane Hinton, tracking summer-like heat across South Florida. That, along with the humidity as we go throughout the rest of the work week. Over the next couple of days, we'll be trending on the mostly dry side. I have some very stray isolated showers and storms possible, but really it's this weekend into the beginning of next week where I think our rain chances will certainly be on the rise. Tomorrow, you can expect temperatures to start in the mid to upper 70s, and then as we head to the afternoon, I see us peaking in the mid to upper 80s on the thermometer. However, when you factor in those feels-like temperatures, I do think that it's going to feel like we're in the lower to mid 90s, so it's crucial that you make sure you hydrate. Here's a look at some of those daytime highs tomorrow. 86 in Pompano Beach and Fort Lauderdale, maybe 88 in Pembroke Pines, 87 in Miami and Kendall, and 86 in Homestead, even hovering around the mid 80s for areas such as Key West and Marathon, but once again, plan for it to feel like it's in the 90s. Next weather rain tracker saying mostly quiet for us here in Southeast Florida and the Keys. That is a different weather story as you make your way out toward the west, as we are tracking some potentially strong storms at times, but you'll notice tomorrow morning mostly quiet. Can't rule out maybe a 10% chance for a bubble up storm over the Everglades, maybe near areas such as Weston and Doral, but other than that, I think most of the activity is going to stay away from Southeast Florida for the next several days, even as we make our way into Wednesday evening and ultimately Thursday. In fact, 10% chance for tomorrow and Thursday. As we head toward the end of the work week and the weekend, they slowly trend upwards. The biggest difference that we have compared to 24 hours ago for our forecast is that our rain chances have lowered for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and that's because the system that's expected to spark up these showers and storms has stalled a little bit on the timeline, so that is elevating our rain chances as we head into Monday and then Tuesday of next week. The rainfall outlook across the country for the next 6 to 10 days does continue to hint at a wetter trend or solution for us here on the East Coast and in the Southeast. So we do have above average rainfall chances over the next 6 to 10 days that will lead into next week. Your 7-day forecast looks just like this. Afternoon highs in the mid to upper 80s each and every afternoon. Since that humidity is sticking around, I do expect it to still feel like it's around the lower to mid 90s. Isolated shower chances for Friday into the weekend. Mother's Day, 30% chance for showers and storms. I'm still encouraging you to have a backup plan indoors for the moms, but it does look like our rain chances really start to peak as we head to Monday and Tuesday of next week with afternoon highs in the mid 80s.